Why is it not showing so the audio's there. Oh my goodness, this is guard your privacy and abide by community. Okay, fine. We're just gonna give this a try and see what happens. I think that my audio is going out, but the little picture of me does not seem to be. Let's see. No, I don't want to do that. I want to move it maybe down on the stack, up on the stack. Window capture, move that down. Is this going to work? I'm completely unprepared for this. So we will see. Hello, one concurrent viewer. Good to see you here. I'm not sure why the little thumbnail-y picture of me is not appearing, but it appears not to be appearing. So we will we'll just give it a go. All right, we're unboxing anti-gravity here. We're going to see what this whole thing is about. We'll do a start fresh. Dark, just because people seem to like dark. Agent assisted, yes. Agent assisted development. That's what we want to do. Terminal execution policy. That sounds kind of ominous. Okay. Review driven development. Yeah, how about development driven development? Key bindings, normal extensions, popular extensions are fine. Command line tool. AGY, anti-gravity. Got it. Signing with Google. Now, here's where we go. Oh, you can't see any of the secret stuff. That's good. Make sure that you downloaded this. Yes, absolutely. So open. So I have successfully authenticated. Okay, and I do have a project here. It's as soon as we get all this crap set up, interactions data. Nah, not me. And here we go. Okay. We're gonna open up a folder on my local disk. Documents. We'll go to augment projects because I usually do that. And we're going to make, what we're going to do, we're going to try to force the Genie to do test-driven development. Ha ha ha. So we'll see if that works. A linked list map. That's the name of this guy. Oops. Yeah, you're going to see a bunch of typos, so that's okay. You trust the authors. Yes, because it's me. Okay. Why is my camera, my little camera thing? Wow. Okay. Two concurrent viewers. This is completely unscripted, unprepared. You're going to see who knows what. But Gemini 3 is supposed to be cool beans, so we're going to go with the cool beans thing. See what the cool kids are doing. Okay, write a Python, a map implemented as a linked list of entries. Write test. So I'm not doing anything fancy with the agent MD file, none of that kind of stuff. I just want to see what it does. So Okay, here's a plan, since it's good to have a plan. So the plan is we're going to build a Python program. It's going to do it all in one shot because Genies always do stuff in one shot. And then we're going to delete the implementation and we're going to comment out the tests, have the Genie do it, comment out the tests and get the tests running one at a time. That's the plan. Write tests for the API. And the operations are get, put, and delete. There we go. And now we'll let the Genie go and cook for a little while. So if you chat with me, I will chat back, even though I'm not terrifically good at this. How are you going to find out until you find out? Thank you, one concurrent viewer. We're just going to see what all the Genie does. Task, implement, Python. What? Comment. All right, ran 6 tests. That part's good. Complete the task. Complete walkthrough. All right, so here's something I know to do is I'm going to go through the code a little bit at a time because who knows. We're going to start with the tests. So here's a test, and sorry, my eyeballs are not as young as they used to be. So I'm going to distribute it a little bit like this. Okay, so we have our linked list map. That's what we're working on. We put it at A, we put 1, we do a get, and we get back 1. We put 2 at B, we get back 1. Oh man, this pop-up stuff drives me berserk. Come on, people. Okay, and here we are. If we overwrite something, we get it overwritten. Finally caught up to live. This is a surprising way to get the Genie to TDD. I've been trying to wrestle into doing red, green, refactor from the start. Yeah, well, Carrick, we're just going to see what happens. I have no idea. I haven't even decided if this is a cussing live stream or not. I mean, it's going to be, honestly. But let's see what we got. If assert raises, we get it. If we delete missing, we have multiple items. Okay, so that all looks pretty good. Put, get. Now we have some stuff I don't much like. We have this while current, blah, blah, blah. That's repeated. So one of the things we could do is remove that duplication. But no. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to say accept changes. I'll put this up on GitHub for y'all. Get initialize. And now, wow, this is fast. The responses are. So that part's good. Get commit. We'll just help to do that. This is one of the things I do like about the Genie is being able to just say, get commit. Oh, my stream current bitrate is higher than recommended. We recommend open widget. What does that say? Oh, I got a few more people. 1 megabit per second. I was get init and get add dot and get commit. Yes, okay. And now it's running all that. Okay, so just basic initial impressions of anti-gravity and Gemini is it's zippity-doo-dah fast. We'll see. No, call the branch main. Come on, people, get with the program. There we go. All right, so that's good. All right, so there's too much going on here. It's okay. So I'm gonna also make notes for my next stream, which will be more organized than this one. Bit rate 1000 bps. And I guess it's kind of good that you can't see my talking head. Okay, thank you, Carrick. I'm gonna go and do that right away. Let's see. I'll just put it in here. Yeah, go ahead and do that. And if that was some secret, Carrick, I'm toast. So there we go. Stream health, stream settings, analytics. I want to get back to analytics. Okay. 2 concurrent users. We're just experimenting here. We're taking Gemini for a stroll inside of anti-gravity. I thought that would be interesting to see. And so far, it's fast. I pulled it off the stack. Oh, thank you, Carrick. No, I'm just going to assume that you're just really smart. So, okay. So now we want to delete the implementation. We're going to tell it to do this because we want to get to TDD if we can, and we'll see. Comment out all but one of the tests. Make that test pass. We'll see if it will actually do what we ask it to do. I'm up to 3 concurrent viewers. Hello, concurrent viewers. Good to see you here. Wait. Just gotten approval to begin. I'm actively executing the plan. Okay. Reset. So we're going to go and read. When it says it's finished, we're going to go and read everything that it's done. Okay, so we told it. Test is passing. All right, so we expect to see exactly 1 test here. Yep, put and get. And everything else is commented out. Good. And we expect to see the absolute minimum implementation. Ooh. He wasn't joking when he said minimum implementation. We're not even, the brilliant. Super. All right, we're back to absolutely nothing. Now, what does accept all, reject all? Come on. Commit. Why not? Everything's working. Everything's consistent anyway, even though we know that everything's not working. Run that command. And we'll see what happens. Again, if you've just joined us, we're taking anti-gravity and Gemini, the new Gemini, for a spin, sponsored by CodeRabbit. CodeRabbit is assisted code reviews. I'll demo it in the next video. I have been using it and found it interesting. I don't do a lot of team programming, but I can easily imagine it being very useful in that environment. Solo, if I screw up, I screw up, and I'm the only one who can be screwing things up. So we'll see about that. Get status. All right, where are we? Get commit. That's what I want to have happen. Oh, here we go. There we go. Okay, so now we have this very minimal commit. Hey, live chatters, I'm clearly not a professional doing this. This is an experiment. We're giving it a try. Thanks for CodeRabbit for sponsoring. Get status. Nothing to commit. We're all good. Okay. Now, let's see. Now we want to TDD this. So make a plan for the remainder of the tests. Only uncomment one test at a time. Make all the tests pass. Let me call it uncommented. There we go. Vinicius says TDD with Genie is the exact same process as pre-Genie TDD, except that the Genie handles implementation. Oh, and this is a question. The programmer just orients the red-green refactor loop. We're finding out. Nobody knows. That's the beauty of working with technology at this stage, is nobody has a clue what the right way to do things are. So we're just going to give stuff a shot and see what happens. Make all the uncommented tests pass. Commit. Wait for orders. Dun, dun, dun. Here we go. All right, this will go okay. What could possibly go wrong? Yeah, earlier I was trying to stream to Substack and to YouTube Live at the same time, and I couldn't figure that out. YouTube is getting some people here. I mean, I am clearly no Mr. Beast. I'm just a guy sitting in his office wondering how to program like this. Duplicate key entries. I'm going to follow. Okay. So there's a lot of good stuff that will go zipping by here. Implementation plan. Created a plan. Let's open the implementation plan right here. Update existing key, delete a key, get a missing key, delete a missing key, multiple items, verification. Okay, yeah, that seems reasonable. Okay, and where are we? We have just updated a value. That looks good. And commit, yes. All right, wait. Where are we? Okay, so this is something that I don't like about the Genie and maybe we'll get into this. I want to build an app called Wait, What? It's like, what did you just do? Because we have this stuff streaming by quickly. And like, I don't know exactly what state we're in right now. We've maybe edited some stuff here, but has it been saved yet? I don't know. I'm gonna press accept and see what happens. Okay, so now we have 4 tests. That's so frustrating. I wanted to see what it was telling me and it just disappeared. Okay. The test is delete. All right, accept all. We're trying to get this. So I put update, delete, test missing, committing previous changes and verifying. Okay. Yeah, man, there's some user interface glitches to this. Where you can't really see what's it. I find the brighter green code background confusing. Yeah, no kidding, Carrick. Me too. Run the except like where do I this accept, that accept changes, this accept all, which of these, like they're all demanding my attention. But oh, and Carrick, I'm red-green colorblind, so that definitely messes with me. Okay, so this is looking kind of TDD-ish. We'll go review this before we finish. It's getting on to beer o'clock here, so yeah, exactly. Completed. The tests are uncommented, passing. Okay. What other? Oh, let's look at this implementation just before we get into this. All right. So we are going down the list of entries. We are minimal implementation for now. Okay, so what test should we write for this warning? We'll see if it knows about this, by which I mean the thing that I have selected. Pending comments, it's waiting. Overall, I tell you what, I'm really impressed with how fast Gemini is. I kind of like the pace where it's chugga, 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 chug, because I can sort of keep up with my reading, what it's writing here. Gemini, not so much. It goes zipping by. So, we've given it something it needs to chew on, so that part's good. I'm thinking that IDE is not the ideal user interface for augmented coding. Definitely, somebody needs to rethink this. We, collectively. Doesn't have to be me. Could be you. Needs to rethink how we interact with code. Because this is like, it feels like I have a car, early car, and I'm pulling on reins. I don't have a steering wheel, I have reins. Multiple independent agents. All right, well, I'm putting that on the list for future videos, Carrick. Thank you. Wow. Like, what's taking so long? Boop. One step requires input. Get add. Oh, did we not do that? See, now that cheeses me. Favorite form factor. It changes, Venetius. It changes every day, every week. I thought I would hate command line interfaces. Like, I was done with teletypes in 1975. But I, in fact, kind of like it sometimes. The IDE, inherent warnings. Minimal implementation for now. They question the necessity, the missing typo idea. Okay. I see your cursor is on line 25. Could you clarify what warning you're minimal implementation. This is going to be hell for ADHD. Tell you what, just figuring out, like, augmented coding for ADHD is hard enough. Having the stream going at the same time, crazy shit. Oops, that's my first cussing. I don't know, does cussing even matter? I have so many things to learn. Okay, yeah, so get rid of it if it's not. Okay, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons. Which ones matter? Like, come on, people. Thought process, unless you need to... yeah, but I don't trust the Genie. Come on. Collapsing the thought process. I want to see what's going on. Because I fundamentally don't trust it. Okay. Generating. Remove the stale comment. Yeah, good, fine. Next. Okay. So the selected code appears multiple times. How would you dry it? Question mark. Now we'll find out if it knows what we mean by dry. Ha ha ha. Return the previous node and that's kind of clever. I wouldn't have done that, but I'm not. Boy, returning multiple values is just not in my wheelhouse yet. Hello, viewers. CodeRabbit is sponsoring this video. Try it out. Oh, jeez. And again with the accept. Okay, here's find node. Return none, return previous and current. Okay. All tests pass. It's waiting. Here we go. A new record. 6 concurrent viewers. Good to see you all. We're gonna be wrapping things up here in a little bit. Thank you all for coming to visit. Thank you, CodeRabbit, for sponsoring it. Waiting. Okay. A 1 step requires input. Really? Except I had to go click that. Come on, people. You're wasting my time here. All right. So just before we finish, let's have... We'll review the code one more time. I always do this. Do you do this? Seems like a good thing. Probably if I was a professional streamer, I would bring up a poll at this point, but I don't know diddly squat about this. Okay, so put We grab the node, return. See, I would not put a blank line here, but that's just me. We'll worry about that later. Next, get node.value. See this, I would be tempted to actually do this. Would I do this the other way around? Could be. Delete. Okay. Yeah, this code seems pretty clean. And the last commit is the refactor to dry using find. Okay, cool. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm sure somewhere here is a... I've been going for half an hour. I thought it'd be over in 5 minutes and it would be completely boring. So, thank you all very much. I will be streaming again, probably kind of weekly, although I'm absolutely not going to commit to like every Thursday at 2 p.m. or whatever. We're all learning all of this stuff all at the same time. Everybody should be trying everything they can think of and spreading the word, and that's all I'm doing here. So until next time, thank you very much, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers. The stream will, yes, end.